Well, hello, and welcome back to another incredible episode of Thrift Twists, the place where we go into our favorite secondhand shops on the hunt for inspiration and then head back home and make something very beautiful. I can't wait to see what we're going to make today. Let's go. Check this out, you guys. I love stuff like this. Do you guys kind of see that? Let me get you close enough to you see the kind of checkmark texture. It's a really good size kind of a decorative platter or decorative plate. They are trying to get $3.99 for it. But I was thinking, like, wouldn't it be cool to do like put something like a piece of floral foam down, maybe do like a little arrangement or something. I don't know, but it's very, very cute. It's very, very cute. Now I'm looking over at this thing. This is an interesting piece. I think it's kind of almost like some sort of an avant-garde bowl. $4.99 on that. I could see this being like spray painted black. Oh, it's kind of got like a little texture on it. I don't know if you guys are kind of seeing the nubs and the knobs there. But yeah, like spray painted black. Maybe put something in the center, use it as a wall piece, or just maybe use it as a bowl still. I don't know. Really cute though. Let me know what you guys would do with this piece. Okay, you guys, you know how I'm doing it when I'm doing it one-handed, but I want to see if I can get this out for you guys to actually see it. Oh, she's very lightweight. I like that. I'm probably never going to be able to step back far enough. Let me see if I can for you guys to be able to see this. Let me put this on the bench. We're going on a little walk here. But look at that. Do you guys see that? Now the tropical print, sure. But what's getting me is the actual frame itself is delicious. Are you guys kind of seeing this kind of dark faux bamboo wood style piece? Delightful. Delightful. And it's a good size. It's very lightweight. Let's see what the price is. $15.99. $15.99 for this piece. Now, I think that's a little spicy, but I do think that the frame is really cool. That picture, not my taste, but it does look like it was hand painted though. So let me not knock that. But the frame itself, let me see if I can step back. Really, really cool. Let me know if you guys like that. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is one of the cooler things I have seen. Now, I'm guessing, I want to say because of the tile, is this like a pot cooler? Do you guys know how like when you take your pot out, you put it there to cool off? The piece here feels almost like a ceramic kind of tile, and I really, really love that design. It's $1.99. I think that is very, very cute. I'm wondering if whatever that is, you know, we could get that off. But super, super cute thing. Now, I'm also seeing something else I have to show you guys because this is weird. Sorry again for the noise and the activity in here, but what is going on here? I'm not even sure what I'm looking at here, but it is a kind of like one of those like figurine style type situations. But I'm trying to understand what I'm looking at because it's, maybe it's just me who thinks it's weird. I'm at a loss for words. Aaron's laughing too. It's $1.99 if you're interested, but it's very strange. Very, very strange. Check this out, you guys. Hopefully you guys can hear me over the music. I am gonna have to grab this. I have no choices, and you guys know why. Let me see if I can get away from the speaker really quick. As always, we're going on a tour, right? But it seems like everywhere we go, we're underneath the speaker. This is hilarious, right? We're going, oh, I'm under a speaker here too. You guys, we are doing the do-si-do in the Goodwill right now. Maybe I'm away from a speaker. I doubt it. This is funny. If you guys are still watching at this point, put your thumbs up because be for real, I'm going all around the Goodwill trying to find a place where there is no speaker. But check this out. I love this. It's $1.99. And I'm guessing it is probably some sort of candle holder. And I'm thinking, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. I'm trying to figure out what we can do with it, but it's definitely coming at me as something I need to pick up and maybe try to upcycle. Now, as it is, it's just a beautiful situation, but I'm wondering if we turned it black, if we added something else to it, could we make it cooler? I don't know, but I like it. Okay, you guys, now you know I sometimes have to stop and take a look at the frames. And look at this beautiful print. That's pretty much what caught my eye, is those bright and beautiful purples. Sorry about that, you guys. You know how it is. We are in the Goodwill. So phone calls, all sorts of things are happening, because that's kind of just how it is. $1.99 here for this. Now the frame itself is actually really nice as well. I like that kind of color. But this purple flower situation, is that a hummingbird? Let me turn it around, you guys. It's got a hummingbird in there. Oh, two of them. Very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful piece at that $1.99. I want to draw you guys' attention to the bags at Goodwill. And I know, again, it's hard to hear me, you guys, but check this out. Isn't that cute? Look at that cute little pig. Now, this is just one of those kind of reusable tote bags that the Goodwill has now, because they don't do bags. And they're all $1.55. But this one really, really caught my eye. I also like this bag too, you guys. I was about to head out, but look at this red truck that you guys love so much. You could cut that out and frame it. But again, these bags are dang cute, and they are just $1.55. So this very cute, ultra modern candle holder is what we've chosen as our inspiration. Let's head home and see what we come up with. So here is the beautiful piece that we have chosen to bring home. Now, of course, I could just use this as a candle holder, but I am going to try to turn it into a planter. And our very first step is going to be to spray paint it black. So in order to transform this into a planter and give it some pop, I'm going to employ some craft stir sticks that I am going to stain using Waverly Antique Wax. And you'll watch me kind of cut them down to the size of the walls of that candle holder so that I can just glue them right inside, and it will fill up those holes. I don't know what it is, and I know I've said it once and I will say it 1,000 times. There is something about the pop of Waverly Antique Wax up against anything black that feels high end to me. Let me know in the comments if you feel the same way. So now we're just gonna start gluing our craft sticks down on the inside of that candle holder, just filling up those gaps with that beautiful pop of stained wood. So now that we have our holes covered, I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this with rocks and then drop in a beautiful piece of greenery, and then this is gonna be done. So I love the simplicity of this, and I love the way we took something that was already really, really cool and made it even cooler, in my opinion. Let me know if you love this DIY flip in the comments.